welcome back. It's D-Rock Garage here, and today we got a special build for you guys. And if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button because I know you're gonna love this series, and I hope you enjoy it. And so let's get ahead and get right into it, and hit that little bell for you guys so you guys get notifications when I post new videos, especially for this crazy build and all the builds to come. Beast. We're trying to find prices on them, what they're going for, and we can't even find it. This was actually a guy that races, and hopefully we're able to find him maybe if he sees this video, but I believe this is his name right here. So it's he made a custom build, a special edition of this truck, and it's so yeah, we're trying to figure out what the pricing are on them. But yeah, we're gonna slowly already, as you guys can see, started tearing down in the front. I already took a ton of stuff out: radiator, condenser, all the fans, a lot of the hoses, and a lot of the subframe and the rebar that was there holding after all the impact got hit. But yeah, she's looking great. The driver's side, it is okay as well. Just this one fender buckled right here. See that? This door is still alright, just a little bit bent right here, but that's not a big deal. We can fix that. And this wheel is a little bit cockeyed forward and pushed back, so I'm sure we'll get this thing up and running soon enough. And of course, you can see need a new hood. Here's the interior under the engine. It does look like the engine was pushed a little bit further back. You can see these covers right here. They're a little bit pushing against the side firewall. So we're gonna have to see what we gotta do with these engine mounts and transmission mounts and all that. Took out all these pieces here. As you guys can see, this frame needs to be standing straight as like that, but it is pretty much almost at a 45-degree angle. Same thing here, needs to be like this, but it's cockeyed like that. But mainly the damage was all in the front. Doesn't look like any of these whatever they called, bushings and all that, and the serpentine belt, nothing looks messed up or anything like that. It looks really clean. So we're hopeful that we're gonna be able to just pull the frame and everything and make it look good. Sorry about the light and this wind coming through, but hopefully we're gonna find I believe my bro already found another car or another truck that pretty much is exact match, the special edition, and we're gonna be able to get a lot of the parts off of it. So soon enough, probably gonna be welding, cutting, everything, and probably gonna keep it the same color, but I don't know what my brother's plans are, so we're gonna definitely figure that out. But great thing, a lot of these connectors, like this is for the fans, none of them were broken, so it is really good. And this one's actually pretty sweet. I got two batteries, got one right here, I believe there's another one right here. So but yeah, it's just all laying down right now because we started working into it. And once it got arrived, sadly I actually lost the footage of that video, but there was footage of my buddy Bob going out, getting the car and coming back. And when we were taking this off, this wheel is so buckled down here that we had to put it on jacks and push it so the truck would go straight. And then down here, the way you can make this work, if you take the cover down here off, then there's this connector right here. That's the linkage to your changing gears. We were able to put it in neutral. We were just able to go ahead and put neutral, just push it back off the trailer, and we were able to get it off nice and safely. So But yeah, inside looks really, really nice. Obviously just one airbag blown, so that's really, really good. Nothing else is damaged in here. Got some parts right there for the front bumper, but really nice. Got dual cabs. Love this interior. It's pretty sweet, and hopefully this is going to change the game. It's a lot of the things that we do around the house, different things that we got to do and get different builds for you guys. So that'll be really going for us. But yeah, let's check out the back. Really love these custom made panels right here. This is really nice, this rack. Plus got lights right there. That is sweet. Really love it. The back is perfect condition, nothing wrong with it at all. Really love these little steps that you can step on and get up. And yeah, but hey, if you guys know B-Man, I will hopefully be able to get in contact. But if you guys know him, please share his channel with me or somehow, so I can contact him and find out more about this truck. I really would love to learn more about it. But here we are. Started taking all quite a bit of parts off. Got a box full of nuts and all that, nuts and bolts. Got filters, everything like that, air box. But yeah, she's coming along really nicely. Nothing too difficult, but it's looking great. I'm very excited for this build. I really hope you guys are as well. And you guys, if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram called D-Rock Garage. There's gonna be a ton more posts, so you guys can get an inside scoop before YouTube, and it's gonna be posted on there as well. Just a ton of pictures and all the different progress that we do on there. And I promise you, this is not the end. It's gonna be bigger and much better rebuilds that we're gonna have. So hope you guys love it. So let's go ahead and do another loop of this beast. And I believe I haven't said yet, it's a 2016 Silverado Special Edition. Here's this right here. There's obviously some piece missing right here, but I believe that's one of the names. But yeah, it's really nice. Love it. Hopefully it's going to turn out real nice. Plus these wheels came out really cool. Glad we got something, you know, that actually really nice. Plus we got Bridgestones, and they got plenty of life left. But we'll see. Might be changing them out. Maybe they get a lift kit, maybe not. It looks pretty decent right now. I don't know if this exhaust system is stock, but it looks pretty rad. Love it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little clip, and hopefully this build is going to go pretty decent. Let's see if we can reach that 1,000 subscribers starting from this video. You guys are awesome. Until next time, D-Rock Garage.